Next, we are discussing a very simple method for solving these 8 cases. Some of the case we can solve in 30 seconds. For example, if you see case 2. In case 2, what we have? B equal to what? 90 degree. If B equal to 90 degree, that means what? Other two angle is what? Acute angle. If other two angle is what? Acute angle, that means small b is what? Greater than A and small b is what? Greater than C. Because larger angle B opposite side is what? Largest. Okay, so opposite to angle B side is what? Small b. Okay, so small b is what? Largest side. So small b what? Greater than A and small b what? Greater than C. But according to your problem, in this case we have B equal to C sin B. If B equal to 90 degree, that means this one is what? 1. So B equal to C will come. That means this case will not satisfy this condition. That means there is no triangle. Okay, next if you see this one, case 5. In case 5, B is what? Greater than 90 degree. If B is greater than 90 degree, that means opposite to B side is what? Small b. That means small b should be what? Greater than A and small b is what? Greater than C. Okay, according to this angle, we can say that B should be what? Greater than A and greater than C. So, but in your case, what we are getting? C is greater than B. That means this is not satisfying. So, here this condition are contradicting. That means there is no triangle. Next case, if you see this one, B equal to 90 degree, that means this is what? Same case only. So here also we will get no triangle. Okay, so these three problems we can solve within 30 seconds. Other case we can solve by geometry. Okay, according to geometry, first we are taking if angle B is what? Less than 90 degree. Okay, so we are taking one side and other side is making acute angle with this side, and this vertex is what? Capital B. Okay, and this angle is what? B. This angle is what? Capital A. Then third vertex is what? Capital C, and capital C lies here. This side is what? Small a, and this side is what? Opposite to C. This is what? Small c, and opposite to B, third side is what? Small b. Okay, and small b we can say this is equal to what? AC. Okay, from A we are drawing perpendicular. This point is what? D, and AD is nothing but what? C sin B. AD is what? C sin B. So for finding vertex C, what you will do? From point A, we will draw a arc of length AC. Okay, and that AC arc intersecting this side, that point, intersection point of arc and this side is nothing but what? Vertex C. So from point A, we will draw a arc of length AC. The intersection point of arc and this side is nothing but what? Vertex C. Okay, so one by one we are drawing. So first is what? If AC is what? Less than C sin B. Okay, that means AC is what? Less than C sin B. That means arc will come like that. That means this arc will not intersect this side. That means there is no triangle. So in this case, no triangle. Second, if AC equal to what? C sin B. Okay, angle B is what? Acute only. Okay, that means AC equal to what? AD. So arc will come like that. That means this point is what? Intersection point of arc and this side. That means D point is what? D point is nothing but what? Capital C. Okay, so here we can say angle C is what? 90 degree. So we'll get right angle triangle. So how many triangle possible? One triangle. Okay, next is if AC is greater than C sin B, but less than this side. This side is what? C. So less than small c. Now if you draw a arc of AC length, AC is what? Between C sin B and small c. Then if you draw a arc, we'll get like that. Okay, then this arc is intersecting at this point and at this point. Now if you join these points, so one triangle is what? BA and this point is what? C. Here angle is what? Acute, and other triangle is BA and this point is what? C. Here also angle is what? Acute angle. So how many triangle possible? Two triangle. So in this case, how many triangle possible? Two triangle. And last case is what? If AC is greater than C. That means this length AC is greater than C. So we are taking an arc of length greater than C. So we will get like that. In this case, if you extend this one, we will get one point is this one and other point is this one. Okay, next, if you join this one, so in this case, we'll get this angle is what? Angle B. So this is what obtuse. Okay, but we are taking B is what less than 90. So this point is not possible. Okay, if you take this point, now if you join this one, so this point is possible because in this triangle A and this point is what C and this point is B. So here angle B is what acute angle. So this point is possible. So in this case, how many triangle possible? Only one triangle possible, because this vertex is what valid, but this vertex is not valid. So how many triangle possible? One triangle possible. Okay, so if B is less than 90 degree, then these are the cases will be there. According to tell, we can tell number of triangles. Next case is what? If B angle is what? Greater than 90 degree. Then what will happen? So we are taking one side is this one and other side is what? Obtuse angle. So this angle is what? Capital B, and this angle is what? Obtuse. Okay, this what is what? Capital E. Then this side is what? Small a, and vertex C lies on this side. So this side is what? Small c. Okay, and opposite to B side is what? Side is what? Small b, and small b is what? EC. Same thing for finding vertex C, we will draw a arc of length AC from A point. The intersection point of arc and this side is nothing but vertex capital C. Okay, so first we are drawing perpendicular from capital A to this side. So we are extending this one. This point is what? Capital D. This angle is what? Pi minus B. So this side is nothing but what? C sine pi minus B, and sine pi minus B is what? Sine B. So we'll get C sine B. Okay, so from vertex A we are drawing a arc of length AC. Okay, so here also one by one we are discussing. If AC is less than C sine B. Okay, so if you take AC length, AC length, okay, AC is what? Less than C sine B, so you'll get this type of arc. So these arc will not intersect this side. That means vertex C is not possible. So in this case, no triangle. Okay, first case. Second case, what? If AC is greater than C sine B, but less than this side, less than C. Okay, so maximum length is what? Here only, less than this one. If you take this one, we'll get this arc. So here it is intersecting 2 points. One point is this one and one point is this one. But in both cases, if you join, this angle will come. Okay, if you join this point also, in both cases, this angle will come, and this angle is what? Acute. But we are taking angle B is what? Greater than 90. If I take this angle, so angle B is what? Acute. But given is what? B is greater than 90 degree. But so that in this case also there is no triangle, because this vertex is also not valid and this vertex is also not valid. So in this case, how many triangle possible? No triangle. Okay, next, if AC is greater than C. Okay, so if you take greater than C, that means we'll get like that. So in this case, this vertex is not valid, because for this vertex angle B is what? Acute, but this vertex is valid, because if you join this vertex and this vertex will take C, this angle will come. This angle we know, this is what? Obtuse angle. So in this triangle, this angle is what? Obtuse angle. So this vertex is valid, but this vertex is not valid. So in this case, how many triangle possible? Only one triangle possible. One triangle. Okay, because only this vertex is valid. And third case, what? B is equal to 90 degree. This we can find out directly. So for that we are not discussing. This we can find out directly.